The county's made a commitment to do everything it can to prevent and end homelessness. Fairfax County is too affluent to have people, living in their cars, living in the woods, sleeping behind shopping centers. And some of those people get up in the morning in a tent in the woods and put on a suit. And they may go to work at Macy's or they may go to work at McDonald's.
There is absolutely a homeless challenge. Although we've made huge progress with reducing our homeless numbers by 46% over the last 10 years, there is a tremendous challenge ahead of us with rising costs of housing, limited affordable housing opportunities for people, and individuals who really are in need of not only the housing but support in order to stay in their home.
However, this new building is a giant leap in that direction. It demonstrates our ongoing commitment to preventing and ending homelessness, and it gets us closer to our goal of making homelessness rare, brief, and non-recurring, and that is drilled into my brain.
This facility will have 52 individual beds. In addition to those individuals, there will be 18 permanent supportive housing units, which essentially are efficiencies where people will live. It'll be their home.
Today, we're in bright sunshine, and we have a bright future for all. I want to thank the Board of Supervisors for allowing our great team to move forward. We have to continue moving forward in ensuring that all are taken care of.
So there's no time limit for permanent supportive housing. It's serving and housing some of our most chronic homeless in our community, people who we've had a lot of challenge, individuals who really are in need of not only the housing but support in order to stay in their home.
Respecting all opinions and recognizing that there is dignity in every person, regardless of need, have been guiding principles.
So it's really going to be a place of refuge for people in their most trying times. It's so exciting. It's what we've been working for a long time, and this really puts us in the 21st century.
3, 2, 1, boom!